Okay, so after applying the primer, I'm gonna do some color correcting. You can see that I have some dark circles and some pigmentation. The weather has really changed the skin, guys. It's okay if you guys don't want your dark circles to be hidden. It's okay if you are fine with it. It's actually up to you because makeup is all about fun. Maybelline 30 Hours Super Stay Concealer. It's a very good concealer. Saffron Brightening Sunscreen and Technique Pro Finish Matte Foundation. Oof, I feel thirsty. Okay, so let's get back to the makeup. By the way, guys, I did this kind of tutorial before, but for some reason, the video, it was just creating problems. So, like, you guys couldn't see it properly. That's why I am making this similar look again. It's the exact look, but you can use similar items. Like, you don't have to use the exact same products that I'm using. You could find a dupe of it. So, it's your wish. Sassy Oldie Fixed Translucent Powder. Okay, guys, this powder is very affordable. This is really like a budget-friendly loose powder for those of you who are students. But honestly, it's not actually like the name says it's translucent, but it has a little tint to it, so it's not translucent. But when we use it, it's just gonna set the makeup nicely. You can use your other powders if you want. The Balm in the Balm of Your Hands, Volume 2. I'm gonna use Houndstooth W7 Matte Fixer Setting Spray. Okay, so I just did my eyebrows with an eyeshadow. You can follow your own eyebrow routine, but I decided to keep the eyebrows looking natural. Using the Beauty Glazed Concealer. This was like very trendy once. Makeup Revolution Sybil Day-to-Day Palette. I'm gonna use this shade over here. Highlighting the inner corners and brow bone. Bob Mascara. This is really affordable and it's really good too. W7 in the shade Stylish. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed my look. Bye.